I'm just taking another view of the stairs with the waterproof paint, which is a hydroban from Laticrete, the second coat. And if I come close to it, let me show you, it's really look quite evenly. So as you can see, only the vertical side of the stairs is painting, waterproofing. There is a reason for it, because I don't really want water to get out and penetrate to the vertical and go to the vertical tile that I'm going to put there, which I will show you sooner. But this is another view, and as you can see, it's quite look nice. So if you can look at it, you can see that I already put these tiles on the vertical side of the step of the stairs. Now I'm going to put here on the vertical side of the stairs. I already measure and cut tiles here to put it here. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to actually apply thin set. First I have to clean everything. Remember, this is the hydroban waterproof on the vertical side only. Okay, so in order to put thin set, I'm using the Ultraflex 3 of Mepei, which is important to use outside. You have to use an Ultraflex for exterior, otherwise you can run into many problems of tile cracking. See what I'm doing? I just spread the thin set on the vertical side of the tile. After I spread it, I will go into level it with a stick. And I'm using 3/8 of an inch teak. So now I'm going to use 45 degrees, and I'm going to level the thin set. Especially I didn't put until the end, because first I'm going to put or apply to install the tiles here, and then I'm going to go to this area. So 45 degrees, okay, and I'm going to scratch it, remove the excess, make sure it's clean, go back to here, 45 degrees, and that's it. So now you can see at 45 degrees, very nice level. I'm going to put this tile, the bullnose tile, you can see it here. I have to make baked batter. So I bake batter it, which is very important, especially when you put tiles outside. It's always better. I'm putting baked batter because thin set will stick to thin set by far better. That's why I'm going to put these ones first. And just slightly apply it here. You can see it's already done. That's it. Now this is the other towel that I want to put. And this one I have to bake batter it also. And then do it all. I'm always putting the tile, I'm just cleaning the side of the tile from an excess of thin set. Okay, so it's clean. Just give it up and down a little bit and push it. So you can see all the pin set are spread properly. After I spread it 30 degrees, I'm going to take 45 degrees here, and till the end, finish, and now I'm going to put the other tile which are already cut, because that's the other tile, and I'm going to make a big part of it. Tile is clean here, I'll come to clean it now. Okay, this is the second time I'm going to do. Here I have to give a little bit of elevation to the tile. Just to make sure it's here. What left now is just to put spacers. So that's done. Okay, so we finished the first, we finished the second now. And what I want to show you here is, this is a Schluter threshold, especially for a stair, to avoid what is called slippering on a stair. You will avoid, it's a stainless steel. And what I want to show you here, if I will take this one for a second, and I put it here. Okay, so this has to be exactly here. So you see the tiles here, it's a little bit higher than the stairs. It's in purpose. Okay, so this trim will be here, and it will cover the tile here. You won't see the edge of the tile, but it also does not touch the tile, because if you look at it, it's actually a half an inch, almost 7/16 really, the depth of that thing. So it's going inside. If you stay here, the tile going probably a quarter of an inch, and you have probably 2/16, 1/8 of an inch playing. So this, when it stop here, it will stop people from slippering, and also protect the tile edge here and the tile edge here. This is a very nice stuff tools to do it, but it's expensive. But you know, I don't take any chance, because I don't want really to slip here on the tiles. It's also protect the tiles from cracking. So if you come from here, okay, and you look on this, you can see that this tile is a little bit higher than the stairs. It's probably a 1/4 higher than the stairs. It's on purpose. It's ordered to actually put inside this depth of this threshold. Okay, and that's the way it's been designed. And I will show you after that later how I'm going to actually apply this threshold, how I'm going to install this threshold, and how I'm going to put tin set here in this area to make sure that it will be installed properly. So I want to show you a trick here. You see, here between the tile and the stair there is a gap. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm actually sealing the gap with this silicone. This is the best silicone I actually work with, and I already did it here and here. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm actually just inject silicone, and the silicone will seal it from water. This is an excellent silicone for exterior, and it's a transparent silicone. Okay, so this will avoid water going to a vertical area. Actually, I can do it from here. Okay, after I complete it, using this rubber just to force it in and to just level it. So this is how silicone sealed the gap here, and it will avoid the water that penetrates here to go here on the vertical between the tile and the vertical side of the stair.